Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
This next stretch is called the headache buster. We're going to have DEANNA put her hands behind her head and push back into resistance for about 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, she'll stop pushing and now tilt her head forward while gently pushing forward. Elbows can come inward. Gently 15 seconds stretch behind the neck. Follow that up with a turn of the head by 45 degrees to one of your armpits. Gently pull forward for 15 seconds and then the other armpit for 45 seconds. This stretch, the headache buster, is great for people with headaches and neck pain and neck tension. Good job, DEANNA. This next stretch is called the pits and the rolls. We're going to have DEANNA start by rolling her shoulder blades either forward or backwards, about 5 revolutions, followed by tilting her nose to one of her armpits 45 degrees. Hold that for 15 seconds and then go to the other side. Exactly. You should feel stretching of the neck muscles on the opposite side that you move to. That's called the pits and the rolls. Great for neck tension and postural stress. Thanks, DEANNA. This next stretch is called the shrugs and the rolls. We're going to have DEANNA shrug her shoulders up to her ears for 3 to 5 seconds. And follow that up by rolling her shoulders backwards for 3 to 5 seconds as well. She's going to alternate between shrugging and rolling those shoulders. And the benefit of this stretch is it helps to release postural stress, especially around the shoulders and the neck. Thanks, DEANNA. Good job. This next stretch is called the shoulder pinch. We're going to have DEANNA pinch her shoulder blades or her scapula backwards for 3 to 5 seconds and then relax. She's going to alternate this activity 10 times, each time squeezing the shoulder blades back and then relaxing. This is a great stretch for tension around the shoulder blades and the upper trapezius muscles. Good job. This next stretch is called the prayer stretch. DEANNA, we're going to get you to lift your arms out to the side with your palms up and your thumbs back, and you're going to tilt your mid-back or your thoracic spine up towards the sky. I'll have you take a big breath in and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. This stretch is great for tight pec muscles, shoulder, arm, and forearm flexors. Great postural relieving stress. Thanks, DEANNA.
Thanks for watching. My name's Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.